You cool cats and kittens. Welcome, Quarantine, to Season 8, Episode 25 of the Boostly podcast. Tonight's presentation is going to be all about email marketing. I recently read a consumer study, the main takeaway from it, and it was recently released by Fuel Travel, and the big takeaway from it is that you have to be proactive in messaging your future guests.
Stat here, 49% of customers like to hear from you. This is what people are saying. Like, this stat was done in 2017. If consumers said they would like to receive promotional emails from their favorite brands on a weekly basis. The reasons why people get so bogged down with emails is because they think of their own inbox and they think how it's clogged with salesy type emails and all the things. So what I'm going to show you is how to create an email that will actually get read and engaged with. People always ask, when is the best time for me to send an email? And the response normally is in things like these. Well, think about who your customers are, think about your customer avatar. If you're more geared up for the leisure industry, because we've got a lot of people who do leisure guests, then think about your customer avatar, break it down, like what would they be doing on a day-to-day basis? Those of you that are geared up for more corporate industry, and you've got corporate emails on your list, you know, what time of the day would they be looking to use their emails? You know, I know from working in an office background, that Thursday, 3 p.m, you know, after you've had your lunch and you're just chilling out, that would be a time when you want to check your emails.
All I ask for doing all of these nights of totally free content is that you engage, you interact, but most importantly, you learn something and you implement it into your business.